G'day everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we'll be just playing some Rare World GeoGuessr, just a couple of games today to see how I go. It's gonna be like countries that barely show up over there. They just got some trekker coverage and that's it. Like Costa Rica, China, Martinique, Lebanon, Nepal, etc. See, without wasting time, let's just get straight into it. Yeah, we'll just play no move, no time limit. Let's just see what happens. Right, what do we got? Some trekker. If this is Latin America, which it is, we've got Spanish with just the architecture as well. This is probably gonna be somewhere in Costa Rica. We get the right angle. The right angle could be, good here. Let's just move this a bit. Yeah. Let's go I don't know, let's just go San Jose to be honest. I don't know, some road in San Jose, something like that, Yeah, that's alright. Next one. This is going to be Egypt, actually. I've just seen these trekkers around. We're near some pyramids. We're usually just around Cairo, but it could be, where is it? Somewhere around here. Is it this pyramid? Or is it it's somewhere around here? I was clicking at these pyramids. I was up here, 14 kilometers. Just up here, just by the Giza necropolis, apparently. So, okay. This kind of looks like, I've played this map a lot before. Sometimes not useful. This kind of looks like this little territory over here in Canada, which has had some trekkers. It's named it's called Saint Pierre and Miquelon. It's a French territory, as you can see here. Somewhere on this island. I think we might be maybe here or something. Nah, just north, but it was there, so we'll take it. Alright, next. This is going to be Svalbard. It's the territory of Norway. Look, it's extremely far north. So we're just going to be up here in Svalbard, just in Longyearbyen. I probably pronounced that terribly, I'm sorry, but that's the name of the capital. Just down there, 4998, that's good stuff. And this is going to be where? Kind of looks like a Pacific Islander, or kind of African kid. Because there would be Vanuatu or something. It was just Tanzania. It could be Pitcairn. This is a difficult round. I'm gonna go quickly here. I'm gonna try Vanuatu. Which island was it had coverage? It was one of these. Let's try Vanuatu. Oh my gosh, it was Vanuatu. And we end up with 24.7. That is a crazy game. It's just a perfect game, really. And we are on the edge of getting to the 110 as well. I've just noticed. We got some visual coverage here. Interesting. Oh, this is gonna be China. Yeah, this is gonna be China. I have no idea where. China's weird quality for their camera. We'll go Chengdu. Oh well, wait. Actually, Nepal. Interesting. Very interesting. This one, I think, with this little tripod kind of coverage, I think this is gonna be Mali, actually. The problem is there's a few cities. I know Timbuktu has coverage. I know Bamako has some very limited coverage. I'm gonna go to Timbuktu. I know there's some coverage over there, so I'm gonna try Timbuktu. Timbuktu, I know some coverage. It was actually in another city. I should even know this one had coverage. Yeah, it was Mali though. Next we're gonna be getting Svalbard. Yeah, not much else to say about this one. Come on. Actually, we've got this little car meter here. It's apparently going to be somewhere in the capital. Yup. Geez, nearly the 5k. I think I have 5k a couple of games there. This is just a forest with oh my god, what's it about? Martinique, or I know Martinique has some of these. I know Vanuatu or something. Do we have a guy in front? I'm gonna go Martinique. Just a jungle Martinique. These jungle trekkers are impossible to get because they could be anywhere. That's the rule. They could be anywhere. So let's just move it away. Martinique, just right there. I don't know where the jungle coverage is. It was actually Tanzania. I never knew there was even coverage there, so... Well, yeah, we're learning something interesting every day. We're in the jungle again. Do we have French here? We have French, I think. We're just going to be in Martinique. This time, I think we are going to be in Martinique. This island here. I'm sure the coverage was kind of around here, I think. Somewhere around here. Just over there, yeah. So that one was not a very good one, but anyway, we are now Master Explorer Supreme. We just got a new title. That's cool. Yeah. We can have a little view of this. That's very cool. We got a new title. Let's get a rare boulder again. And yeah. Let's keep on going. Just keep playing some games and see what can happen. See if we can get, I don't know, just get a streak going, a streak of 1. This is gonna be Pakistan, I think. We got baggy pants rather than tighter pants, which you find in India. I think India will be on this map though, so we should just be in downtown Lahore. Not. We'll go just at the mosque, so it's probably somewhere near there. That's the 4999. Yeah. This is we're on a beach. It's shoved on the beach. But we have albatrosses. Is this actually Midway Atoll? I see albatrosses flying across the sky, so I guess we've got to be somewhere Midway Atoll. Maybe somewhere here. I think there is a location. Oh no! It was the British Indian Territory. That was my other thought, really. I saw albatrosses flying above us, so I was a bit confused. Just shoved on the beach again, so obviously not much to go on. I might just go bloody British Indian Territory again, because it's just not much. Not much to go on, really. Like, I don't know, just somewhere here, I'd say. Oh my god, a Pitcairn, Jesus. It was the UK, so I'll take that. This is gonna be probably somewhere in. What is this? UAE tracker? Might be going in good old Abu Dhabi or something like that. No. Alright, Lebanon. That actually makes much more sense than UAE. I was a bit silly on that one. This is Pitcairn Island. This guy's hair. This is Pitcairn Island. There isn't coverage on this island though. I think it's on Adamstown, where the capital is, as you can see. Somewhere on this island. Yeah. So that was a pretty pathetic seed, actually. And I think we're actually closing in on 4,000 games. After this game, I'll check how many games we're on, because I think we're closing in on 4,000. But what is this? Like, what? The Chinese writing. We're gonna go. I don't know, just like kind of Beijing. Why not? Yeah, why not? Because the world has a lot of it, so why not? Probably Costa Rica, I'd say. It looks Latin American. Just send Costa Rica, to be honest. Without much else, let's just send it. Just send San Jose. Yep. What's next? Svalbard, I believe. That's what's next. Svalbard's a really cool place. It's extremely isolated, but it'd be kind of cool place to go to be honest. Nice. 1099. This is what? What's that, the Google car or something? What is this? I might try St. Pierre and Miquelon again because it kind of looks like there, to be honest. Yeah, let's try there. Nice. So St. Pierre. Nice. Last one here. This is gonna be Nepal, I think. We can see all these guys hiking around the trekker. This is gonna be somewhere, and the trekkers in Nepal are, I think around Mount Everest mostly. So we're just going near Mount Everest. Yeah, not far away. That's the 24k right there. 24,700. I think we'll play one more game. We'll play one more game. See how we go. This is gonna be Mali, I think. Looks like it. Camera quality is not like a bit weird, like you know, not the normal kind of camera quality you see around. I'm gonna try Timbuktu, I think. There's a bit of coverage there. Wait, what? Was it Rock at the museum? But I thought that was Gen 1. Oh, damn. I've never actually seen that. Right, here's a tiny little tracker. Oh, man, that's so annoying. Oh, whatever, we'll speed run through this. And we've moved to Martinique, which is over here. We'll try and get where exactly it was. It was around here, I think. We're not there intense. Oh my, sorry about that, but oh my goodness gracious. Anyway, we're on to the next round here. This looks like it's Costa Rica. Although, hang on. Gotta be careful here. Gotta be careful. It looks pretty Latin American. We have coast, which is really interesting. We've got the Colombian paint. At least some are actually in those islands, those Colombian islands. But I thought they have the car coverage. They have trekkers there. We'll try these Colombian. It's one of them. Wait, what's that Colombian island? Wow, that's unbelievable. Yeah. This is probably Pecan, I think. That's the guy you see in Vanuatu, I think, actually. I think this guy you actually see in Vanuatu. Am I being silly, or am I actually right? I'm pretty sure that's the guy you see in the Vanuatu trek. Most of them, at least. Which island was it? One of these islands. I think it was this one that had coverage. I'm pretty sure it's that guy. Yeah, you see in Vanuatu. Now what have we got here? Last round of the video. We're going to be just up in Svalbard. With 5k mode to end the video off. We get the right angle, so wouldn't hurt. Let's just head in here. Maybe here. Not quite enough. We'll take that though. And yeah, guys, that will call the video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.